The Supreme Court has expressed concern over the ongoing protest by farmers predominantly from Punjab at Delhi's borders. The top court, during a hearing of petitions challenging the farm laws, said it was concerned over the fact that there was no improvement in the situation and no breakthrough in talks between the government and farmers from Punjab and Haryana. The centre, however, reiterated in the top court that talks have been progressing and there will be a conclusion soon. The government contends that the court should adjourn the hearing on these petitions because talks are still underway. The Supreme Court in turn agreed with the centre. The next hearing is on Monday, but if talks are still underway between the protesting farmers from Punjab and the government, then the court could adjourn the hearing further. Meanwhile, farmers protesting from Punjab against the new farm laws are planning a tractor rally tomorrow to press for their demand to repeal the farm laws. The Punjab farmers have decided to bring out rallies from Delhi's Tikri, Singhu, Shahjahanpur, Ghazipur and more. They've also warned that they will block the Western Peripheral Expressway. The traffic in Delhi is expected to get affected as the police may try to stop or regulate the march. Interstate travellers may also face a hard time as they have been already. The protesting farmers are staying steadfast on their demand despite no headway in the last round of talks or the contentious demand by the Punjab farmers for the laws to be repealed. The next round of talks between the government and the Punjab farmers protesting is scheduled for Friday. It is day 43 of the agitation and the Punjab farmers are staying put despite rain, thunder showers and cold that have gripped Delhi for the last 3 days. The Punjab farmers have also threatened to march to Rajpath on Republic Day if their demands are not met.
कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, गुरु के सिखा को कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, वो जंगल में मंगल लगा देते हैं। हमारे को कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, हम अपना हक लेने के लिए आए हैं, हक लेके जाएंगे। हमारे
लोगों की तबीयतें भी आपके साथ किसी की खराब हुई है तो उनको मेडिकल फैसिलिटी मिल रही है?
नहीं, हमारे को सब कुछ है,
सब कुछ है।
हाँ,
मेडिकल फैसिलिटी मिल रही है?
हाँ।
मिल रही है।
भैया बारिश से थोड़ी बहुत परेशानियां रहने को हो रही है, थोड़ा बहुत हमारे लोग बीमारी से जैसे बुजुर्ग है वो थोड़ा बहुत है, पर हमारे नौजवानों ने ये सफाई का बहुत अच्छा यहाँ पे रखा है और सफाई हो रही है, वो थोड़ी बहुत ही तो प्रॉब्लम है, इतनी ज़्यादा नहीं आ रही है।
You see, I think it is high time that there should be an amicable settlement between the agitating farmers and the government of India, because such type of standstill position is not good for the country as a whole. So we hope that before the farmers intensify their agitation as they have declared, like taking out tractor rally, etc., I think a amicable solution will be reached out at the discussion table, and that is the expectation of all people in this country.
Earlier fighting against government over farm laws, now the farmers are also braving the weather, as the nature's fury has created mayhem at Delhi's Singhu border for last 4 to 5 days, from waterlogging to potential chances of triggering epidemics. Now the farmers are also helping each other with these fogging machines. Most of this area are now looking like a swamp because of the rain condition. There have been waterlogging. Most of the shelters where the farmers have been staying for last 42 days is now underwater or wet because of the non-stop rains for those 4 to 5 days. There have been green alert issued, orange alert issued by the weather department, and that's now becoming another challenge. Even the medical team, those who are providing medical assistance to the farmers at Singhu border, suggesting farmers suffering from fever, cold and such aftermath of unseasonal rain in this chilling winter. The temperature is already dipped, the mercury level has dropped, and now the farmers who have been already struggling far away from their home at these borders, protesting against farm laws and the government, are now hit by the nature's fury. But end of the day, their morale is high. They are fighting with their courage here on these borders, of course, with help of each other. Reporting from Delhi Singhu border with Pradeep Gupta, this is Ashutosh Mishra for India Today.